Hi, rKavanaugh here with BISH'S RV in very sunny Junction City, Oregon. Today I'd like to show you this very nice used 2020 Freedom Elite built by Thor. It's the 22HE model, so it's about 22 feet. It's a great starter motorhome or a motorhome you want to downsize into because it has all the bells and whistles and it's really small. So very compact, you can drive it anywhere, you can park it anywhere. It still, even though it's only 22 feet, it still has plenty of storage. You can pack a lot of chairs in here, your barbecue, all kinds of things. So very nice. You got this big awning. It's a power awning with the LED lights. You know, when you have that awning out, this is your big camping area, your big hangout area. You got storage there. You got the awning. You also have on top a Winegard cellular Wi-Fi enhancer. Very nice. Let's go inside. Even though this is a used coach, it's a 2020, it's like new condition. You've got a very large booth dinette right here, which breaks down into an extra bed if you need it. Very nice. It's extra large, so lots of space here. And very nice cabinet space here as well. If you look up here, this is what we call the cab over bunk. It can be used for storage or an extra bed. And you also have an extremely large slide out 40-inch flat screen TV. So in the evenings, if you want to watch a movie or watch TV, you can certainly do that. It's nice and big. Here in the kitchen galley, you've got a little extension here for extra space, a single sink, stainless steel, very nice 3-burner gas oven and stove. And of course you have your microwave up here, and of course more cabinet space. As we move back, you have your standard Dometic RV refrigerator and freezer. It's plenty big for weekend trips or even week-long trips. This RV obviously has a 4,000 watt generator, so it'll and propane. So if you want a boondock, this is a great RV to boondock in because the refrigerator will run on electricity or propane gas. Also more storage space here. It's also a hanging closet. More storage down below, and then you have what they call the corner bed with lots of storage up above and lots of natural light. Very convenient, very nice. And then of course the bathroom, so have a look. So this is a 2020 Thor Freedom Elite 22HE. It's compact but still has everything. So if you're interested in this motorhome, give me a call, rKavanaugh, or give me an email. My information is below, or just contact BISH'S and ask for rKavanaugh. Happy to show you this motorhome or any other motorhome we have on the lot here in Junction City, Oregon. Hope to see you soon.